The health benefits of myrrh can be attributed to its properties as an antimicrobial, an astringent, an expectorant, an antifungal, a stimulant, a diaphoretic, an antiseptic, an immune booster, circulatory, tonic, anti-inflammatory, and an antispasmodic substance. The essential oil of myrrh is extracted from resin. Myrrh is the scientific name for Commiphora myrrha, a native plant to Egypt. The resin was frequently used in incense and perfumes in ancient Egypt, and the oil obtained from it has been used for healing wounds in ancient Greece. The main component of the essential oil are alpha-pinene, cardanine, limonene, eugenol, cresol, acetic acid, formic acid, and sesquiterpenes. The myrrh essential oil does not allow microbes to grow or infect your system. It can be used to prevent many problems occurring due to microbial infections such as fever, food poisoning, cough and cold, mumps, measles, pox, and infections of wounds. It has no adverse side effects, unlike other antibiotics, such as weakening the liver or digestive malfunction. The myrrh essential oil is an astringent. This means it strengthens the gums and the muscles and the intestines and other internal organs, and it smooths the skin. It also helps to grip the hair roots, thereby preventing hair loss. The myrrh essential oil is good for colds and coughs. It helps to fight viral infections that can cause them, as well as relieve congestion and reduce the deposition of phlegm in the lungs and the respiratory tract. Myrrh essential oil acts as a fungicide. It can be used both internally and externally to fight fungal infections. The myrrh essential oil stimulates blood circulation, digestion, nervous activity, and excretion. It stimulates the pumping action of the heart, secretion of digestive juices and bile into the stomach, and it keeps you alert and active by stimulating the brain and the nervous system. The essential oil helps to relieve you of gas, which often results in embarrassing situations. The myrrh is beneficial for an all-round health of the stomach. Myrrh essential oil relieves you of excess mucus and phlegm, and troubles associated with mucus deposition, like congestion, breathing trouble, heaviness in the chest, and cough. The myrrh essential oil increases perspiration, and it removes toxins, extra salt, and excessive water from the body. Sweating also cleans the skin's pores and helps harmful gases like nitrogen to escape. Myrrh speeds up healing. This property protects wounds from infections and it heals them quickly. A research report published in Biochem Open Journal states that the essential oil combination that contains myrrh plays a vital role in healing skin wounds. If you apply a small amount of myrrh to a cut or a wound, you won't need to worry about it becoming infected. The oil will prevent it from becoming septic since it's an antiseptic substance. It can protect you from tetanus as well. In a preliminary study published in the Iranian Red Crescent Medical Journal, women who couldn't respond to standard drug treatment for a sexually transmitted infection known as trichomoniasis were eventually administered an oral drug known as Myrrhizid, which is a combination of myrrh sap and its essential oil. After consuming it, it was noted that 85% of the women were cured of the infection. The myrrh oil strengthens and activates the immune system and keeps the body protected from infections. The powerful essential oil stimulates blood circulation, and this ensures a proper supply of oxygen to the tissues. This is good for attaining a proper metabolic rate, as well as for boosting the immune system, as increasing the blood flow to all parts of the body helps in staying healthy. As a tonic, the myrrh oil tones up all systems and organs in the body, and this gives them strength and protects them from premature aging and infection. The myrrh essential oil sedates inflammation in various tissues in cases of fever or viral infections. It also treats indigestion resulting from the consumption of spicy foods, and it protects the circulatory system from toxins. According to a study published in Anesthesiology Journal, the essential oil consists of compounds that interconnect with the opioid receptors and inform the brain that it's not in pain. Additionally, myrrh blocks the production of inflammatory chemicals, which can cause certain kinds of swelling and pain. It can provide relief from unwanted contractions or spasms and therefore ease cramps, aches, and muscle pain. According to a 6-month-long study, when people were suffering from severe headache, they consumed multi-ingredient supplement that contained myrrh's pain-relieving compounds, and their headache pain had gone down by 2/3. The oil is highly valued in aromatherapy as a sedative, antidepressant, and as a promoter of spiritual feelings. It takes care of uterine health and it stimulates that organ. It helps to fade away scars and spots, diarrhea and skin diseases and eczema. It helps with ringworm and itches. And it also has emmenagogue properties, which means it normalizes menstruation and relieves associated symptoms like mood swings and hormonal imbalances. Using the myrrh essential oil is easy. You can put it to use in 3 basic ways. You can inhale the steam by adding a few drops of myrrh to hot water. You can apply it topically after mixing it with a carrier oil, or you can add a few drops to a cold compress and apply to an inflamed area. Despite these benefits of myrrh essential oil, it can have toxic effects if used in excess. It should be avoided by pregnant women since it stimulates the uterus and could result in a miscarriage. For more on herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.